as you can see, it's late afternoon. Here we have Petco. And here's full panorama. Yeah, as to be expected in Cypress, not too much going on. Okay, at the intersection of Ball Road and Valley View. Cybertruck. I believe it's my understanding that there's a Stater Brothers over here. Let's see what's going on.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is... I wonder why she didn't ask the lady. Yeah, this is Stater Brothers. That lady looks like the change giving type. Spare some change, sir. Thank you. Spare some change, sir. Thank you. Right there. Spare some change, sir. Thank you. Spare some change, sir. Thank you. That's what the that's what the lady said. The lady. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Isn't life a laugh? Okay. Okay. Ooh, check it out. It's one of those little mini e-bikes, or I think that might be gas powered. Hard to tell. Here we go. Karate, or is it Taekwondo? It's Taekwondo. Somebody, and here we go. More substantial activity.
He was kind of disappointed it was just me, you know?
Now to the other park. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's Taekwondo with their roundhouse kicks and all that kind of stuff. Jean-Claude Van Damme. Da 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 da. Here's the procession of people going to Stater Brothers. And here it is, Stater Brothers. There's the balls you can buy. Those weird inflatable ball things. Okay, moving on. Standard. Holy heck, what is this? A secret passage. Oh no, am I trapped? Or is this? Nope, it's a secret way out. Ah, here we go, the old creek. The old creek. The intricacies of a spider web. I can hear squeaking down there. Could be bats, could be birds. Whoa, this is one hell of a rough path. Be careful, they could do a turn. Run. I mean, ride. Stuck on the divider. It's nice to know what the next 5 minutes of your life are going to be like. It's like an apartment complex. And then here's the cul-de-sac, the dead end. Which is weird because they could easily just slice through this and make it a through street. They get rid of this drain. Yeah, look. Looks like a strange place for a dead end. Okay, let's see what we got here. Standard fare. A baseball game. And that's about it. Another baseball game. Here it is. The community center. Cypress Community Center, that is. And here's the statue thing. Chess and checkers. We got something going on right here. Whew. Whew. Here it is. Pacific Electric. Wonder if I can catch the Pacific Electric to LA. Here's one of the few remnants right here of the railroad. Okay, let's see what's down here. It's basically just an office warehouse area. This is definitely public street. I don't see how it couldn't be. I'll check the sign. If the sign is white, it means it's private. But no, this is a public street. Heck, you could even count some of this grass as easement. Ah, so here's what's back here. Yeah, there's some boring companies. See, the First Amendment auditors, they come to a place like this and they stand right about here with a full camera crew, and that'll get some funny action. But apart from that, there's really nothing down here. Cat grooming, sandwich house. I swear there used to be like a restaurant with a table, like right here. Oh yeah, and right about here was where the computer video game place used to be, where you pay like $2 or whatever to play some Counter-Strike and StarCraft and all that. Man, they built this after 2009. Here, I'll show you. This storage place right here. There used to be like a business, like a little house, or a business that looked like a house. And then right over there was a little mini house. Yeah, literally right here was a little one-bedroom mini house. Then right here, maybe at the army place, but probably at the other place was the nickel arcade, where you pay $2 to get in, and then all the games are like a nickel or 4 nickels. Ah, there it is, the big orange sunset. Which shack should I buy? Which shed? Home Depot. Here's what's going on at Home Depot. At 7:02. See, when it rains, I don't have any wheelbarrows to make sure are turned over. I should buy one. Barbecue. That's pretty neat. And I'm too late for a First Amendment audit. The Post office is closed. I can audit this random guy on a bike. There. You've been audited. I could come over here. Yeah, tomorrow or on any weekday, I could stand near yonder mailbox. Hey, do these even, wait a second. I haven't used the mailbox in years. Do these even work? Yeah, I could stand here and watch the store. Or I could stand here and watch this door. And just see the flow of people coming in and out. These apartments are new. They used to be abandoned houses, then they were a farm field, and now they're apartments. Huh. Let's see what's going on at the Cloud 9. Oh, I've heard of this place, the Cloud 9. Man, I have heard of this place. Not too much. Then the next one is the Peacock Motel. There's some folks checking into the Peacock Motel. Huh. Then the Super 8 across the street. And then many years ago, I knew a friend that lived here for a while. And he claimed that this place right here was a lesbian bar called the Huntress or something. He thought that was so funny. And here's the other side where the railroad tracks were. Oh yeah, look at that. You can really see the wooden planks here. A lone shopping cart. Oh shit, they demolished that place. I never knew that. That random hamburger joint.